Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. Today I want to walk you through how to unlock your TCL Stylus 5G so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app. You're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. Make sure you write down this number right here. You'll need that for the next step of the video. Next, hit the home button. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First will be the manufacturer, which will be TCL. Next will be the model, which is going to be the Stylus 5G. Next, select unlock phone. From here, you're going to select the country you purchased the phone in, which is for us, United States. Carrier is going to be Metro by T-Mobile or Metro PCS. From there, it's going to give you the price to unlock the phone, which is going to be $27.99. And then it's going to give you a delivery window. And that's basically once you check out, it's going to show you how much time roughly it could take for them to get back to you with your final unlocking instructions. Keeping in mind that there are many carriers and the process to unlock phones does change from time to time. So that's why they give you that ballpark time of how long it will take them to get back to you with the email that has the final unlocking instructions. Once you get that email, you're simply going to grab your SIM tool from the box of your phone. Now, if you don't have this anymore, grab a paper clip and simply bend it back. You're going to use this to pop out the SIM card and put in the SIM card of the new service you'd like to use with the phone. Now, a couple things I want to point out. The top of the screen, you will have a few different methods to reach out to the company if you have follow-up questions. So, toll-free number to call, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp number. So, multiple lines of support, which is one of the things I love. You can simply use that to reach out to the company if you hit a snag with the unlock, or you're simply waiting for your instructions and it's past the delivery window and you still haven't gotten it. You can simply reach out to them. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.